Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy a gift card on your Grubhub application. Watch the video till the end. To buy a gift card in your Grubhub application, firstly open your Grubhub application. The home page of Grubhub will appear on the screen. Tap on Account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. Among the options, tap on Gift Cards. The gift card can be used in both Grubhub as well as Seamless. You can either buy a gift card or redeem a gift card. Now, to buy a gift card, click on it. Tap on a friend if you want to send a gift card to your friend, or else tap on It's for me to buy a gift card and then click on Continue. Choose between a digital card and physical card. Pick a design as well as category, then tap on Continue. On the next page, enter the amount and click on Continue. Scroll down to the end of the page and enter your promo code if you have any, and then click on Continue. Now, to buy a gift card, enter your contact info, that is your email address and phone number. Confirm your email by re-entering it. Fill in the credit card details, that is your first and last name on your card, credit card number, expiration month, expiration year and security code. Enter your billing address information including your country, territory, street address, apt, suit, city, state, postal code, and then tap on Place your order. This is how you can buy a gift card on your Grubhub application quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching.